Hi, in this video I'm going to quickly demonstrate how to add RAM to this Dell Latitude 5490. The laptop requires a DDR4 SO-DIMM version. This is a 3200 but a 2800 will also work. Before performing this job, make sure the laptop is off. Make sure there is no SD card inserted in the slot. I need to loosen these screws which are positioned all along the sides. Remember to remove the screw in the middle. The screws remain in the holes, and now all I need to do is peel off this back cover. There's a space over here for me to insert a pry tool. Ideally, rather use plastic pry tools. I'm inserting a screwdriver just over here to lift up this back cover. I'm now taking my pry tool and wedging it underneath between the back cover and the unit. Either using another pry tool or your nail, go along the back cover and gently peel it open. Right, remove the back cover from the unit. Make sure you have no static on your hands. Remove the RAM. Line up the groove with the raised part on that side. Lean it in at an angle and then drop it down and it will clip in place. It's now time to return the cover. Notice the two front speakers over here and the two openings over here where there are grills for the speaker covers. Using a balanced force, I now depress the back cover onto the unit. Return the 8 screws. Right, once the RAM has been inserted, power on the unit. When you boot up the laptop, it gives you this warning. In this case, all I need to do is press F1. Once you've booted your laptop, you can go to the task manager and see the amount of RAM installed, and there you can see it says slot 2 of 2. Both RAM are now connected. If you're wondering why it says the speed is 2400, it's because the laptop takes the speed of the slower RAM. Ideally, it's best to match the RAM, but in this case, the RAM that I installed was at a higher rate than the RAM that was already there. Unfortunately, the laptop will still run at the lower clock rate of the lower spec RAM. Thanks for watching, and cheers.